Today we're going to be changing out the bulb on a 2008 Scion XB. In addition to that, we're also cleaning the lens itself because, well, we want to make it brighter. That's why we're changing out the bulb. Now, I'm just using a drill fluffy, I don't even know what kind of attachment it's called. I got it from Amazon, and then some McGuire's plastics to clean it off. It's not going to permanently keep it fresh, but I mean, because it's the location and it's not that badly fogged, it should last plenty of time. Once you've properly applied it, just slowly go around. Be careful not to put too much pressure because you can burn in. If you want to be super careful, you can tape off the edges, but I didn't really care. Do it for about 30 seconds, then when you're done, just get a paper towel and wipe it all off. And voila, hey, looks pretty clean. I knew I didn't want any halogens, so I went to O'Reilly's and got these 7440 LED bulbs. Nothing special, they were about $25, but I just needed something brighter than the normal halogen. I'd recommend getting a mat or something because you're going to have to lay down to get access to this. You can't just lean under, but essentially once you get access to the light, all you gotta do is twist it to the right or towards you and then it comes loose. Simply pull the old one out, slip the new one in, and then you twist it back into the slot like before, just the opposite way. And there you go, brand new bulb. Now, cleaning the lens on the reverse light is going to help a lot, but getting a new bulb helps so much more, and I can actually see when I'm reversing out of the car. I'd highly recommend you do it, and if you want to brighten up your 2008 Scion XB's reverse bulb, here's how. Hope you enjoyed the video, and this has been the Duke, signing off.